So security token is a digital version of a security. A security in the market could be a bond, could be equity, could be a note. All of this could be converted into a digital version, and you can put it on a blockchain, and that becomes a security token. The other way to look at it is security token is the combination of blockchain technology and traditional finance. In the market with the ICO and all the frauds that we're committing, people lost faith in raising money through ICO. So the new way is a security token offering where you can have both the backing of the SEC, which is traditional financing, and the security of blockchain and the technology of the blockchain. So that's what a security token offering is.